from Shivra Singh Children Academy. This is your fourth video related to chapter 15, that is transport. In this video, we will cover notebook exercises. Okay? And first exercise is fill in the blanks. So, first exercise is fill in the blanks. And our first fill up is dash are used to carry goods and people. So dash are used to carry goods and people. Second is trains moves on dash tracks. Trains moves on dash tracks. Third one is submarine travels dash water. Submarine travels dash water. Yes, student, submarine travels dash water. You have to find out. And the fourth one is dash travels into space. Fifth one, Tonga is dash means of transport. Tonga is dash means of transport. Okay? So, first is dash are used to carry goods and people. So, what we use to carry goods and people, students? We use vehicles, different types of vehicles, right? So, V-E-H-I-C-L-E, vehicle. Okay? Now, the second one is trains moves on dash tracks. आपको पता है ट्रेन्स कहाँ पे दौड़ती है? किस ट्रैक पे? That is called, yes, railway track. So we have to write railway, R-A-I-L-W-A-Y, railway. Third is submarine travels dash water. Submarine travels dash water. Students, submarine कहाँ पे travel करती है? That travels underwater. Okay? Fourth one is dash travels into space. Space पे क्या जाता है? That is rocket. So rocket, R-O-C-K-E-T, rocket travels into space. Fifth one is Tonga is dash means of transport. Tonga is a, Tonga जानते हो ना, जिसपे बैठते हो? Yes, बैलगाड़ी वगैरह. So Tonga is dash means of transport. It is a slow means of transport. So we have to write S-L-O-W, slow. First one is vehicles are used to carry goods and people. Second is trains moves on railway tracks. Third one is submarine travels under water. Fourth one is rocket travels into space. And the last one is Tonga is slow means of transport. Now see the next exercise. Okay guys, second one is match the following. In this we have to write match. We have to match the columns. So first word is submarine. Second word is rickshaw. Third word is rocket. Fourth word is train. And the fifth word is vehicle. Okay, tell me submarine relate with? Yes, submarine कहाँ चलती है बेटा? That travels under water. So we have to write water. Now rickshaw. Rickshaw travels where? Land, air or water? It travels on land. So we have to write land. Now rocket. Rocket, where it travels? Rocket travels into space. So it is a which means of transport? It is air transport. And where it? Yes, where it go? It travels into space. So space. Train. Train moves on? Yes, tracks. So we have to write tracks. And the last word is vehicle. Vehicle is a, can you give me some examples of vehicle? Yes, vehicle, car, related with car. Okay. Now the next exercise is that is true or false. Okay students, state whether the following statements are true or false. So first statement is, a scooter has 4 wheels. The statement is right or wrong? Scooter has 4 wheels. Second is submarine travels underwater. So where submarine travels? Travels under water. So the statement is true or false? You have to find out. Now the third one is train moves on tracks. Train moves on tracks. Is it right or wrong? Find out, students. Fourth statement is rocket travels into space. So rocket travels into space. Is it true or false? Rickshaw requires petrol. Is it right or wrong? Yes. Scooter has 4 wheels. स्कूटर के 4 पहिए होते हैं? Yes? No. So the statement is false. Scooter has 2 wheels. Second is submarine travels underwater. Is it right or wrong? Yes, it is right. So the statement is true. Train moves on tracks. Train moves on tracks? Yes. So the statement is true. Rocket travels into space. Is it right? Yes, it travels into space. So the statement is true. Rickshaw requires petrol. Is it right? No, it is not right. Rickshaw does not require petrol. So the statement is false. Okay? Now, circle the odd one out. Fourth exercise is circle the odd one out. Okay? इसमें क्या करना है आपको? 3 words दिए गए हैं, उसमें से आपको जो odd one दिखता है उसको आपको सर्कल करना है. फर्स्ट इज रॉकेट, रिक्शा, स्कूटर, you have to circle the odd one. Okay, second one, boat, scooter, bicycle. Third one is Tonga, car, aeroplane. Fourth word is van, submarine, bus. Fifth one, ship, boat, train. Now students, see the first one, rocket, rickshaw and scooter. पहले हमें क्या देखना है? पहले हमें देखना है कि वो कौन सा मीन्स ऑफ ट्रांसपोर्ट है. ओके, सो रॉकेट इज अ एयर ट्रांसपोर्ट, रिक्शा लैंड ट्रांसपोर्ट, स्कूटर लैंड ट्रांसपोर्ट. जब हमें 2 लैंड ट्रांसपोर्ट मिल गया और एक एयर ट्रांसपोर्ट मिल गया तो क्या डिफरेंट है? ये डिफरेंट है बिकॉज इट इज अ एयर ट्रांसपोर्ट. सो वी हैव टू सर्कल ऑन दिस. Okay, now see the second one, boat, scooter, bicycle. So which one is the odd one? Yes student, please find out. Boat, scooter or bicycle, which one? Boat, water transport, scooter, land transport, bicycle, land transport. So boat is water transport. So we have to circle on boat. See the third one, Tonga, car, aeroplane. So Tonga land transport, car land transport, aeroplane air transport. So yes, किस पे हम सर्कल करेंगे? तीनों में से हम किस पर सर्कल करेंगे? यस, हम एरोप्लेन पे सर्कल करेंगे बिकॉज इट इज एन एयर ट्रांसपोर्ट. सो वी हैव टू सर्कल ऑन एरोप्लेन. सी द फोर्थ वन, वैन, सबमरीन, बस. सो विच वन इज ऑड वन? वैन लैंड ट्रांसपोर्ट, सबमरीन travels underwater, bus moves on land. So both are land transport and this is water transport. So we have to circle on submarine. Now see the fifth one, ship, boat, train. Ship, water transport, boat, water transport, train moves on tracks. So it is land transport. So we have to circle on train. Okay. Now these 4 exercises you have to complete in your EVS नोटबुक. EVS की कॉपी में या आपको अच्छी हैंडराइटिंग में लिखना है स्टूडेंट्स. ओके, थैंक यू, हैव ए नाइस डे, टिल देन बाय बाय.